Oh, there we go. Thank you. Thank you. Ugh. Now my nose is gonna be all stuffed. Give me 1 second. Okay. Hopefully my nose is okay. Ah, thank you. I can't believe it took so long for the sneeze. I've been denied so many times.